Hello, Chef here. So I'm about to eat a carrot, and it's a great healthy snack. I suggest you eat one too. Now, I thought I would share with you a real simple garnish or two. It's very easy. I'm using a peeler. Mine's made in Sweden. Yeah, very sharp. So I'm going to peel the carrot. You can see with a sharp peeler just how fast that baby is. Wow. Alright, now my garnish. What I'm going to show you here today, pay attention. I'm just going to use the peeler. I'm going to go back and forth like this a few times. And you're going to say, wow, chef, never seen anything like that. Well, I know, it's the first. And please leave a comment. We'd all like that very much. Alright, here's a simple garnish for you. Some of these will stay hooked together like this. Looks very cool on a plate. Alright, sushi, fish, whatever you're serving. That's the garnish right there. One more tip for you. These are really good for you. Call it nature's toothbrush.